Hi, welcome back. It is 9:24. This is another Science with Sarah experiment. So Weather Authority meteorologist Sarah Spivey is out at Woodridge Elementary School with a group of very excited fourth graders.
Absolutely. So what is Sarah up to? She is out there making moon dough and moon phases. Sounds very interesting, Sarah. How are things looking out there for those kiddos?
They are so excited here at Woodridge Elementary School. I mean, we have been making moon dough. How can you not be excited when you're making a fun slime and talking about lunar phases? I think it's really appropriate too because, I mean, just yesterday we had the lunar eclipse. Pretty neat. Okay, so here's how you make moon dough at home. All you need is 2 ingredients, guys. You literally just need cornstarch and conditioner, and it's a 2-to-1 ratio. So you do 2 cups of cornstarch here. And then you do 1 cup of conditioner. I chose to pick this beautifully scented coconut suave conditioner. And you're just gonna mix it up. And basically, if your mixture ends up being too crumbly, you need a little bit more conditioner. If your mixture ends up being too sticky, you need a little bit more cornstarch. It's kind of a great example of baking and things like that as well. It's just a 2-ingredient thing. You know, cornstarch is a thickener. Conditioner has an activator in there, kind of like similar to glue when you're making slime. And basically what you should end up with is something a lot like this. It's a pillowy, soft, stretchable moon dough. And what I've done with these awesome fourth graders behind me is they're each in charge of a phase of the moon. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a little cutout here, whether that's a cookie cutter or a mason jar, and you're going to make your own little moon. And then you're going to take a popsicle stick or a knife and carve it into the phases of the moon. So, hey, fourth graders, are y'all excited to show everyone how to do this at home? Yeah! Let me see your moon doughs. We pumped? Okay. Coming up, we're going to show the different phases of the moon together with these fourth graders. Stick around for that. Hey everyone, welcome back to Woodridge Elementary School with Science with Sarah. We are making moon dough. What phase of the moon were y'all in charge of?
Waxing gibbous.
Okay, what does waxing mean?
Growing.
The light is growing. Let's see that waxing gibbous. Let's see it. Looks great. That's awesome. And you want to give a shout out to anyone? Want to give a shout out?
To my Mimi and Papa.
I love that.
To my younger sister, Cece.
I love that. Okay, what phase of the moon were y'all in charge of?
Waning crescent.
Waning crescent. Okay, what does waning mean? We talk about waxing. What does waning mean?
It means shrinking.
Shrinking? Okay, that's great. Okay, what happened yesterday with the moon that was really interesting?
Lunar eclipse.
A lunar eclipse. That's exactly right.
So the moon went behind the Earth's shadow.
Yes, that's exactly right. Y'all want to give a shout out to anybody on camera?
I do.
Go ahead and look back there.
Shout out to my brother, Haskell.
Aw.
Shout out to my family. Shout out to my older brother, Theo. Shout out to friends and family. Shout out to my family.
I love that. Okay, what phase of the moon were you guys in charge of?
Last quarter.
Last quarter. What does last quarter mean? Anybody?
It's like the last, one of the last phases of the moon. Like
Yeah. What were you say?
It is the second to last
Phase. That's exactly right. That's exactly right. Okay, what phase of the moon were y'all in charge of?
Waning gibbous.
Okay, I have a hard question. What's a gibbous?
It's like
Smaller.
a tiny sliver of the moon.
Oh, yeah. Okay, is more of the moon filled with light during a gibbous or less of the moon filled with light?
More of the moon.
More of the moon. That's exactly right. That's exactly right. Okay, guys, what phase of the moon were y'all in charge of?
Last quarter.
Last quarter. Okay, what part of this experiment was the most fun?
Probably making the moon dough.
Mixing it? Yeah. Okay, cool. What about you guys? What phase of the moon were y'all in charge of? And show the camera here.
We were in charge of the waning crescent.
Okay, what does waning mean?
Growing.
It's getting small. Yeah, that's exactly right. Anybody want to shout out?
No.
Yeah?
Shout out to my little brother, Lewis.
Oh, that's awesome.
Shout out to my little brother in 2nd grade, Joaquin.
That's awesome, Joaquin.
Shout out to my family.
Oh, love it. Okay, what about you guys? What phase of the moon were y'all in charge of?
Waxing crescent. I'll be.
I love it. Awesome.
We're doing the waxing crescent.
That's amazing. Okay, so was your mixture at first too crumbly or too sticky?
Too sticky.
So what did you need to add? If it was too sticky?
cornstarch.
The cornstarch. That's exactly right. Okay, what phase of the moon were y'all in charge of?
First quarter.
I see that. It's like half of the moon, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what is your favorite phase of the moon just in general?
Probably new moon.
New moon? Why?
Because all the stars is there and it's pretty.
Oh, I love that. What about you?
I think a full moon.
Okay, that's awesome. Shout out.
It's my grandpa.
I love that.
To my older sister Penelope.
I love that. Okay, guys, what phase of the moon were y'all in charge of?
Waxing. We did the waxing crescent.
That's awesome. Any shout outs?
To my mom and dad.
My dog, Josie, Larry, and Goose.
I love that.
And my entire family.
My mom and dad.
My mom and dad. And my dog.
And your dog. Okay, cool. What phase of the moon were y'all in charge of?
We did the first quarter.
Okay, say hi to everybody at home there. Okay. What about you guys?
We did the waxing gibbous.
Okay, what does gibbous mean?
I'm pretty sure gibbous means
Is more of the moon filled with light or less of the moon?
more of the moon.
More. That's exactly right. Let's see. What when you were making your moon dough, did you need more or less conditioner?
I think less.
More. It was too like crumbly at first. Okay. Any shout outs at home?
My dad and my 3 dogs.
Okay.
My mom, my dad, my brother, and my turtle, and my 2 dogs.
Okay. Awesome. What about you guys? What is the phase of the moon that y'all were in charge of?
Waxing crescent.
That's awesome. Do you want to say hi to your family at home?
Hi.
Okay. What about you guys? What was your favorite phase of the moon that you were in charge of today?
The waning crescent.
Waning
What does
crescent.
waning mean?
Getting smaller.
That's exactly right. Getting smaller. Say hi to everyone at home. And you guys? What were you in charge of?
We were
The last quarter.
The last quarter. The last quarter means what? The last
the last half.
half. Exactly right. All right, everyone.